let's do have an illustration basing it from the first to the fourth testimony. Japan, Indonesia, Malaysia are not discovered nations in which Spain undergo the discovery. Secondly, the written constitution of these countries do not renounce war compared to that of the Philippines, and no decree ordering the confiscation of the deadly weapons as what the Philippines had done. Thirdly, they do not practice idolatry, which exactly the Philippines is doing. Although they are isles of the sea, but Japan, Indonesia, and Malaysia cannot precisely claim the hidden land of Jacob. To sum up, only the Philippines got all. So I will definitely say that the Philippines confronts the prophecy, and God is wherefore to be glorified in the Philippines.
Wherefore glorify ye the Lord in the fires, even the name of the Lord God of Israel in the isles of the sea.